Ang ganda ng karir mo. Love
Correct.
life mo din.
Oh?
Love life.
Oh, thank you. I think it's part of the glow.
Sana all. Kumusta na kayo? Sa
We're
love
really
life?
happy. We're really happy. And keeping things low-key. Siyempre, first time ko din na, like, siyempre, we know naman na he's already Jay Cuenca. But to think na parang nire-respeto niya yung gusto kong mangyari, yung time. Siyempre, I just don't want to be Jay Cuenca's someone or significant other. So, he's very respectful sa aspect na yun, and I'm really happy.
Ano pinag-usapan niyo? Sa estado niyo? May mga hangganan, ganyan. Ano ba dapat ang pwedeng isa publiko?
Well, usual pa rin kung ano yung private life, yeah. It's not a secret so I'm just keeping it private para hindi na maraming taong magme-meddle din. Yeah.
Happy ka?
Yes, really happy with everything, my career, my love life, my family. I'm just really happy. My management, lahat, with skincare, I'm just really happy lahat sa blessings na binibigay. And andito po kayo ngayon. Salamat dahil part po kayo ng journey na yun.